I was in the middle of mowing and Jeff got home and waved me down. I didn't know what he was talking about until he pointed to this tree. And what we're looking at here is a massive swarm, which happened once before on one of our fruit trees and broke one of the main branches, and I'm not sure the tree survived. So we're gonna lay down a sheet and get the box out and see if we can save this swarm. We cut the branch and Jeff's got it right on top of the box. We're hoping that the queen will be quick to go in, and if she does, they will all follow her. Okay, do you see those bees marching in? As I shake the branch, they are heading in to the box. And when they decide to head into the box, that means the queen's in the box, which is exactly what we wanted to happen. They're leaving this branch that the swarm went to, and they were marching, all of them, right into the box. So it looks like Jeff's put the lid on the new hive. Pure dumb luck, because we ordered more supplies and they arrived yesterday. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to paint the boxes, but these honeybees have a new home. Look at that. Okay, this was the originating hive, and we've still got plenty of bees there that seem happy and probably a lot less crowded. And our new hive of Italians is doing very well. They're being shy right now, but it's getting late.